The word of the day is 冰. 冰 means ice. It is the character 水, which means water, but with 2 dots on the left. Ice cube is called 冰块. 块 means pieces or blocks. 方块 means cubes. So that's why 冰块 means ice cubes. Also, if you want to learn Beijing accent, you should call it 冰块. 冰箱 is the fridge you have at home. 箱 means box, trunk, or container. 冰柜 also means fridge, but it's the fridge or freezer with the see-through door or lid that you find in supermarkets. 柜 means cupboard, cabinet, or wardrobe. This is where the Chinese swapped the meaning of 箱 and 柜. 冰箱, the fridge you have at home, is tall and vertical. But 冰柜, the display fridge or freezer that you get ice cream from, are usually low and horizontal that look more like boxes that slide open from the top. So why did the Chinese get the name of 冰箱 and 冰柜mixed up? This is because in ancient China, there were already fridges for keeping food cold, and they were usually square-shaped container that opens from the top. So the fridges back then looked more like 箱. 结冰 means to freeze. 冰冻 means frozen. 冰桶 means ice bucket, the bucket you put ice in to keep the alcohol chilled. The last one is a must know if you are going to China, called 冰水, which means cold water. When you go to a restaurant in China and ask for water, they will bring you a glass of boiling water. I don't mind drinking hot water, but sometimes when the water is too boiling hot, I don't want to burn my tongue. Or if the food is too spicy, I don't want hot water that makes it worse. If you ask for 冰水, they'll put ice in the water.